Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Shapes 2 factory game on your Windows 11 or 10. Now first head over to the Steam website, and here the first thing you need to do is just create an account, and you can simply sign up with your Google account, and if you have an account you can simply log in. After that, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top, and you can simply click on the install Steam option and simply download and install it on your PC. After that, just open the Steam and log in your account. Then just click on the search option on the top, and here you can simply type Chips 2 Factory and you will find this game on the top. So just click on this game, and here you can simply scroll down and you will find the option add to cart. So just click on that option, and after that you will see the option to actually view my cart. Just click on this option and simply click on the continue to payment option, and once you paid the amount, now your game will be added to your library of Steam. Just go to your Steam library and just find the game, and once you find it, simply click on that and simply hit the install. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.